Hey guys, so today I wanted to create a look using my Lucky Glow palette from True and Luscious. I just love when things are really versatile, and I feel like this palette, it has like your contouring, your highlight, your blush. So I'm gonna walk through a quick everyday look with you guys using their products. Okay, so using a palette like this, I like to start off with warming up my face. I did my base already, so I did foundation and I set my foundation. I did a little bit of my brows just to look a little more tamed, but I wanted to show you guys kind of an easy look, fresh kind of look, so that way you guys can get an idea for the palette. So I'm gonna go in with Serendipity, and it's like that cool toned bronzy shade. It's right here. And I'm going to just warm up my face on the areas that I like to do it. I like to do it right where my cheekbones are, and then I like to warm up just a little bit wherever I need it. Okay, and then I like to add bronzer contour on my nose. So I just use my contour brush and I squeeze it and I just grab a little bit more, and then I get rid of any of the excess. And then I'm going to just put it on my nose where I kind of want to contour. And then I blend. And then I love putting a bronzer on my eyelids. So you can kind of see how it warms up the face. I really like that. It's pretty subtle, it's not too much, but you can also build it up if you want to. For an everyday look, I like to keep it pretty simple. So I'm gonna go in with this blush shade, Royal Flush, right here, and I'm going to just add a little bit of blush. I like to get rid of any excess, and I'm gonna put some on my cheeks. Such a pretty color. And what I like is like a coral shade blush. I feel like goes really well with a lot of skin tones. And I like putting it on my nose and a little bit on my eyelids. Okay, now that I have my blush and I'm looking a little more awake, I'm gonna go in with their highlight shade over here. I'm gonna use Heaven Sent. And I'm just going to use a fan brush. And I like to get rid of anything, because I want to start like with a little bit and then I can build it up if I want. Wow, so pretty. Gives you kind of like that wet highlight look. Looks really nice. And a little bit right here. And then I love highlighting my nose. And then at the top of my lip. This is such a pretty highlight. And then sometimes I just like to use my finger. When I use highlight for the inner corner of my eye, I usually just use my finger, and this instantly gives your eyes such a pretty like bow. Like, just look at the difference, and you can just blend, perfect it. But that's what I love, putting highlight in the inner corner of the eyes, because It really, like, it gives you such a pretty look for every day. I feel like it makes you look like you put effort into your makeup. Okay, so now that I have like the blush, the bronzer, and highlight, I'm going to prep my lips. So they have a lip plumping serum and it comes in this really cute packaging. I thought this was really nice because I haven't seen packaging like this. And I haven't even tried like a lip serum before, but what you're supposed to do is apply this before you put on your lipstick. So I wanted to show you guys. And it has like a clear kind of gel texture. I'm gonna let that set for a second. The other cool thing about this is that you can use it as an eye serum too. I'm really excited about this lipstick because I feel like it's really hard to find a really pretty nude shade. So if you are looking for a clean beauty nude shade lipstick dupe, this color and Honeydew is absolutely beautiful. Just the way it swatches, the way it wears, so I'm excited to wear this for today's look. Let me just have this mirror to guide me. I'm obsessed with this lip color, guys. It's so pretty. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Just something really fresh and easy and simple, and I hope you guys like this look.